What's going on, YouTube family? How's everybody doing today? And welcome to another episode on my YouTube channel. And in today's episode, we are walking inside a construction site at nighttime. So, without further ado, let's do this shit. So, let's take a little walk. So yeah, guys, so I work part-time at a construction site, and imagine, this is crazy, very creepy too, at night, very creepy at nighttime. Look at that, mad creepy. Very creepy around here at night, especially at nighttime. Look at all this shit, is mad creepy. Look at that, look at the inside of that. Imagine going inside there, guys. Mad creepy in there. Now let's keep on walking, and if you see something creepy in this video, please let me know and point it out. I would really love to see that. Alright, so let's go down. As you can see. Wow. Inside of it, guys. Look. Crazy. This shit look crazy, guys, for real. Look, that's the High Line over there. Yep. But as you can see, all the construction workers have left, and I'm actually by myself. If you hear noises, it's a water dripping. Look at that. See that, guys? It's fucking crazy. Those are the porta potties and everything. Yeah, so this is the High Line that you see over there. For those that don't know the High Line, it's in Manhattan. Let's keep walking. See what's over here, guys. Look at this. It's crazy. Very nice site. Now, I never walked into a construction site before. As you can see, I'm in one right now. Look at the rocks over here and all that. It looks so abandoned, guys. See that shit? This is a cool exploration, walking inside a construction site, and it's very interesting. A lot of people that know me knows that, you know, I work this part-time, as a security officer, so I wanted to just explore. Look at that, guys. Shit is crazy. Oh yeah, you can see my shadow. Hi guys. See? See my shadow? Yeah, shit is crazy, guys. Yeah, so I'm by myself, guys, and it's so crazy. You have to walk all this to check, see how everything looks like, see if everything is safe and secure. See, we were over there, we walked over there, we went that way, and then we came over here. Look at all the debris, guys. That shit look nasty. And if you guys ever worked on a construction site, tell me your experiences of what you like about it. And all the shit that you have seen, that I'm seeing right now and I'm showing you. Very cool, very cool. I always wanted to do something like this, some exploration. Let's keep walking. So that's where they come in and come out, as you can see, guys. Look at all that dirty water, guys. Look at that. Shit is mad fucking dirty. Now earlier I seen some rats over there and some rats over here. So yeah, you'll definitely see some rats. For sure. Look how many fire extinguishers are here, lined up. It's a lot of them. Shit is crazy, guys. If you never experienced this before, well, you could definitely see this on my YouTube channel. I love exploring places like this, guys. Very cool. Look at the city. Look at the bright lights of the city. So guys, I really hope you like this little exploration that I wanted to show you guys at a construction site. And I really hope you guys like that experience. It's very cool. And by the way, guys, look, read that right there. It's very important. So guys, as I always say, if you like what you see and you're interested in joining the exclusive family Discord group channel, you already know I'm going to put the link in the description below. That being said, guys, you know who I be. They call me your Mills. They call me Nomad Patriot. They call me the Slider. Team YGE versus Team Slider under Team Donkey Productions. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. And may God bless you all. Take care.